guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from IKEA a while ago and I bought the little shelving system that I want to put in my bedroom and put my handbags in there. I currently have my handbags in my closet and I just feel like my closet is so crowded. Even though it's a pretty large walk-in closet, it's just, I have way too much stuff. And I feel like at least moving the handbags out of the closet and displayed somewhere I can see it better is such like a way better idea. So I am going to take this apart and build it, and then I'm going to show you guys where I currently have my handbags and where I actually want to put actual shelving system in a new spot in my bedroom instead of my closet. So let's see how long this takes me. I'm pretty fast when it comes to building these things, so let's hope it doesn't take too long. I'm probably gonna turn the TV on, put on some YouTube, so I can be entertained while I build this shelf. What is it called? The Vittsjö, Vittsjö, Vittsjö shelves. And I got it in the black color, because my room is like gray and black, or silver and black. So I want to stick to that color, but I think in the future, I might actually spray paint it gold. So let's see. This is all it comes with. And this right here, glass, and none of it came broken, so let us begin. All right, you guys, so I am all done building this bookcase. It was pretty easy to build. The only problems I had was that the bottom piece. It was hard to do on your own because you have to screw the stuff on the little wooden piece, and it was kind of hard to hold down. They probably should have made it like the top piece where you can attach it individually, you know? because that would have made it so much easier. All right, you guys, so this is where I currently keep my handbags. As you can see, it's not cute at all. It's cluttered, and it's just not how I want to keep it. And I feel like my closet is so clustered right now that having handbags in this space just doesn't look right. So this is where I plan to put the bookshelf. Do not mind the mess everywhere, but yeah, I plan to put it in this little corner right here, and I have this black shelf right here already. So I feel like that will go together and look good. So I'm gonna place it right here so we can see how it looks. So this is how it's looking. I think it looks absolutely amazing in this corner, and I'm gonna put all my handbags right here so it can be properly displayed. So I can actually see all the bags that I have. So, I have my Da Vinci bag. I'm probably gonna put it like right here for now. Then I have my Paulini bag. Probably gonna put that here. Now this one, I love the fact that it has feet. I wish that one somewhat have feet. I think I'm gonna put the strap inside of it. Oh, this is kind of wobbly. Which is weird since it's properly. So definitely do not want this leaning over at all. So, like, it has screws here where you can screw it to the wall. I think I might end up doing that, or buying some kind of like wall hook to place it on there. But for now, yeah, I'm just gonna place my little bags on here. I think that looks really good. Okay, wow. Okay, so that's just to give you an idea of how I plan to like organize it and just place my handbags. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just me putting together the shelf and putting a corner of my room. I don't even know what to call this video, but hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Definitely like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Until next time, bye guys.